Good morning, Mustangs. Today I'm going to talk about comma in a series. When you're placing a comma in a series, you put it between items, phrases, or clauses that you have listed. You need a bare minimum of 3 in this list in order to use these commas. But in AP style, you never use the last comma before the conjunction. Conjunctions are and, but, or, for, nor, yet, so. This last comma is called the Oxford comma, and you tend to use it in formal writing or in other English classes, but the Associated Press tells us not to use this comma. So the first example I have here, I went to the store and bought string, tape, markers. I have 3 things listed in a row. So I'm going to place the commas between these items. So I'm going to put one right here between string and tape. And I'm not going to put one before the conjunction right here, and, because that would be the Oxford comma. So just one comma. Now let's take a look at the second one I have here. The football player ran down the field, caught the ball, and scored. I'm listing 3 things again. So the football player ran down the field, comma, caught the ball, and scored. Notice how I did not put one right here before the conjunction, because that is the Oxford comma, and we don't use that in AP style. Now try one on your own.